see how impressed she is? He already knows. Hey, girl. You know, I look real different outside my work clothes. Fun fact that he's like always shorter than all his love interests. Ratchet is short as fuck. Alright. Let's do this. Probably big. Yeah, this is old school, man. Can I see how much money I have? Oh god, why'd I shoot that? Dear lord. And they said that they would let me know. Rip Fred. Rip Fred. Alright, let's go get us Terra guys. Rip Fred. He's so short. Yeah, Ratchet's really short. I think, isn't Jack taller? Jack is pretty tall. Like, his character is tall, right? Yeah, Clank is like smooth. He's like so smooth. He's the one that's, I think he's technically more famous than Ratchet now. He has his own movies, and like Ratchet is just like the butler, his cool companion.
Are you ready to play? All right.
What up, Todichi?
Let's meet our first contestant. He's an unemployed rocket mechanic who claims to have saved 2 galaxies, but most people know him as Secret Agent Clank's bumbling chauffeur.
Damn.
He hopes that disguising himself as a Tyrannoid will make him more attractive to the ladies.
Wow.
Give a warm welcome to Ratchet! Ratchet will attempt to be the first contestant ever to survive the Death Course. Contestant number 1, are you ready?
Bring it on.
Just shit on this kid's life, dude. Word, they gonna shit on me? I think. Yeah, those you gonna shoot.
Oh man, this job is too much fun.
Now you gonna get yours. Saying my name wrong.
Be sure to catch me next week at the Florana Demolition Derby.
Woo.
Push the button to flip the side. Oh yeah, that's entertainment, folks.
To strafe, hold down L2 or R2 while running.
No cameras. Bliss. Bliss. That's an easy one. Purchase new skins. Okay, yeah, they're for skins. This is bullshit. They're not for anything like important in this game. There we go. Swagging out. Samurai Jack. Is Jank? What do you mean, like, is Jank?
To center the camera, tap L1.
Wait, it's what? I was gonna pull a Fred, like, die instantly. Oh god, chat lethal. I like looked at chat for a second. No cameras. No cameras. The bolt. How did I get that one? You gotta be careful because some of them you're not like able to actually reach until later. That's it. Woo, jump rope. I could have swore, yeah, Jack was pronounced Jack. I got another video game. Oh, I got a skill point.
Let's get ready to rampage!
How many of y'all got skill points? Y'all got skill points like I got skill points. I like how they get a head start like right in front of my face. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, that's that gun. Let's check out the Infector. Yes, betray each other. Is there like auto lock on them? That's so cool.
Enemies hit by the infector will continue taking damage until the infection wears off. Hitting an enemy with multiple infector shots will make the infection last longer.
Oh, I need something stronger though. There we go. There we go. Work for me.
Oh yeah, that's entertainment, folks.
Not that good of a gun. This Lombax food. Probably suck these up, yeah. Whoop, whoop. There we go. Funny, the suck cannon is actually usually really strong because you can only suck up certain things. Breaking science. Change it now. Change what? Alright, we're going back to this. Boom, 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 boom. Suck cannon has been pretty good for like many games.
He's got that 1,000-yard stare.
Has no ammo. Always been a pretty solid weapon. Damn it.
This Lombax really had a rough childhood, folks.
Wolf. I don't know, the Infector seems pretty shit. Yum, yum, yum. The suck cannon is actually pretty damn strong. Gimme. Gimme. Shit. Whatever.
This little sucker can really do some damage.
Congratulations! Warp speed equals
Don't
broken legs.
believe it, folks.
And even if it would
He
be
survived the death course. And here to give you your prize.
Ew, you guys talking about science in chat?
Is Courtney Gears.
Courtney Gears.
How about that, folks? He is better looking.
That's messed up. D Mango Love 26, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the Chuggalo's restaurant.
Ratchet.
Oh, I see you won the Terror Guys. It's very convincing. Anyway, there's something I think the two of you need to see.
Looks ugly as hell. What up, Shadow?
Work personal log entry.
I haven't been playing that long.
After I personally vanquished the Protopet menace and revamped the Megacorp testing facility, I decided to focus my efforts on protecting the endangered creatures of the flora.
How late?
But when news arrived that
not really. I had a...
I knew where my true destiny lay.
Hold
the
on.
training necessary to get back into tip-top shape has been exhausting, and my mind overflows with brilliant concepts.
2 + 2 = 4.
Yearn for the bittersweet stench of my simian companions. The time has come to resume my duties as the greatest hero the galaxy has ever known, Captain Quark.
But I haven't been playing that long. I had a internet
You're not
outage.
gonna believe this, but the president put Quark in charge of the fight against Nefarious. Our new commander just called his first team meeting. You better get back to the Phoenix right away.
I agree. This does not sound good.
How the hell can he speak that shit? Yeah, love me some Ratchet. If you want to see, oh wait, they have the other. Oh, they do. Oh yeah, it's a wrap. But do you want the Splitting Heart? I can't afford that yet. And then the Agents of Doom. Oh, memories. Ammo up, kids. Oh, there's already a Mac. That's what I keep running over that for. Oh my god, this one had like some of the best weapons in the game. Quark is pretty funny, yeah. If you want to see the first 2 games, I have the first 2 playthroughs on YouTube already. Alright, gotta clear this out. Gotta clear it.
Now it's
I'll just shoot these. I don't know if this actually works. Hey, where'd the other one go? Does this work on you? I don't think so. Oh god. Doesn't work on you at all. Alright, cool. Just checking. Oh god. Oh god, this is so hard to control. Oh god. I might do some of them. I do want to do Deadlocked. If Roxas can confirm it's still on the PlayStation Network. I gotta buy that. Oh, damn it. Not even difficult. How the hell you... Oh god, this 2 hits. Oh, I'm running out of all my good shit. I killed her.
This weapon upgrade features a lock-on mod. To lock onto enemies, press and hold L2 and R2.
Dear God. Sweet! Orical, what's going on? Oh, Orical, what's going on? What's up, what's up, what's up? Yeah, we were playing it a little earlier, but crap happened. So we're playing it a little bit now.
Down and dirty for a lowdown showdown.
Suck cannon. Wolf, wolf.
Whoa! This little sucker can really do some damage.
Trying to keep my weapons upgraded as much as I can.
Weatherman says, lightning storm headed your way.
Boof, 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 boof. Give me free ammo.
Everybody see the license plate on that truck? He could be championship material, folks.
I always mess up like my controls.
Hey, Lombax, don't look down.
Can't select those. I think the lock is 99. Oh, it's still there. Cool.
Brother, he's lighting it up like a Christmas tree.
There we go.
Let's get it on.
Truck cannon, please. All right, all right.
He sure got his bell rung that time. Positively shocking.
It's just like all you want to do is like get to the point where you get to see like all the late game stuff. No, gimme. Look at that. Already upgraded the suck cannon. Level 2 now. I think in this one they changed names after a while. Alright, what else do I need? Infector? This is already level 3, which is crazy. But I love the shotty, that's probably why.
Let's get it on.
What the f- Oh god. Oh god, can't shoot properly. Bad aim. That's not fair, that's so not fair. Oh wait. Sucky. Oh yeah. Oh god. It's actually helping me. Alright, sweet. Sucks harder and faster. What you always want? 2-minute warning, so I have to beat them in 2 minutes now. Minutes. How much money do I have? Okay, we getting paper. Still not enough paper though. We have paper. Alright, 2-minute warning. I gotta kill him in 2 minutes, so I'm gonna use my OP.
Time limit challenge. He sure got his bell rung that time.
Both. Where your girl at? Both. Both. Say it with me, chat. Both. Oh god, I missed. Both. Run out of that. What else is next? I got some. Okay, I got a little ammo. I know I can't suck her up. Boof. You guys think I'm saying moof? Boof. I actually don't know how to spell it, so I don't know why I asked you guys to spell it. She broke it, dude. Swag. Swag, swag. At the boss swinging the rope like they're playing double dutch. Yeah, no. I'm getting buffering. Are you buffering or are we dropping frames? Let me know if we're dropping frames. Let me know. There you go, boof. Let me know. Beat all the gladiators before the clock winds down. I've dropped no frames. Okay, well, I've dropped no frames. Okay.
This event is a time limit challenge.
Time limit challenge. Let's go. Boof. How fast can you suck? About to find out today. How fast can I suck? Both. Thug game on deck.
Let's get it on.
Thug game on deck. Both.
Did you see that?
The Thug cannon is really strong. Swag. The real MVP sucker. I'm boring anyway. Screw you, dude. Beat even more gladiators. Just keep making it worse and worse.
This event is a time limit challenge.
Time limit challenge. They got whips now, apparently. Okay. I'm afraid of you.
He could be championship material, folks.
Who got the better whip?
He's on a rampage, folks.
What up?
I wonder what a shaved Wombat looks like. Let's find out.
There we go. There we go. Chuggalos Bob, be quiet. What are they doing? Is it telling you things that you don't want to know? Shot up, fire, fire, bomb. Oh god. Don't get to step out. Woo. Stupid mode. Everything one shots.
Believe it or not, folks, I've got that thing right on the controller up here in the press box.
Basically turns you into like a one-shot killing machine. Alright, let's see what else we got.
He sure got it well wrong that time.
I'm gonna say, oh, I got like no seconds left. Sweet! Why I'm on fire? It's that box turns you into like rampage mode. That's what they call it, rampage mode. And you basically like one shot and you don't take damage for the time of it. Will be good. Use the plasma whip to clear the enemies. Okay, no problem.
He's
No problem.
Have to do this with one weapon, folks.
Whip it good. Boom doo doo doo.
Did you see that?
I wonder what a shaved Lombax looks like? Let's find out!
They give me like a weapon refill?
Yo, sir, that's
Wait, do I get a weapon refill? Oh yeah, hold on. Do I get a weapon refill? Ah, shit. I gotta kill them all in one move? Hell nah, yo, come over this thing. That doesn't work? Oh, they kill each other. Right over here, there you go.
He sure got his bell rung that
Swag. We're Fasasi. Yes, this is an old game, very old game. Destroy all enemies using only the spinning hydra. What is this? I need to screw you. Well, I thought you were gonna give it to me. This one, cleave your way through